Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how you can annotate or draw on your screen with an amazing software, and that too free of cost. I recently published a video on how you can record your screen with a free software in 5 easy steps, and I was asked how you can annotate or draw on the screen while you are using the screen recording. So I did my research and there are many softwares available. However, the one I am going to show you does most of the things, and that too in the free version itself. So watch this video till the end. Well, first I need to show you how you can go and download the same. So I just go and type Epic Pen on Google or whatever search engine you are using, and the first option brings you to this screen. And because of the Black Friday sale, they are offering 50% off. So which would mean if I were to buy it in India, here it says it is for rupees 1500 including the GST, and if I apply the promotion code which is Epic Friday, it comes down to 750 rupees, or I believe $10, which is something you can always afford for such a great utility. Anyways, I will show you how you can download the free version and what is the difference between the free version and the paid version, so that if you really want to use it, you can always go and purchase the pro version and take more advantages of the same. So to download the same, you just need to go on download. Here you get two options. First is basic, which is free, and the second one is pro, which is currently showing me 1500 rupees in India. So this is per install, which means if you want to install it in 5 different systems, you will have to go and purchase 5 licenses for the same. And today they are offering Black Friday discount for 50%, so it is costing you 750 rupees, which is pretty good. So what is the difference between the free version and the paid version? The free version gives you the pen, eraser and highlighter. I will show you in this video how you can use the same. It gives you the option of screenshot capture tool, and it gives you 16 colors. What it does not give you is lines, squares and circles, which means you can draw the lines, squares and circles by your hand using the mouse, but you cannot simply select a square and draw a square. Text tool, you can write using your mouse, but you cannot use the text tool to type something. Arrow tool, similar to that. Whiteboard and blackboard. Well, whiteboard and blackboard is basically if you don't want to show anything in your background and you just want to use the white background and want to draw something or annotate on your screen, you can use white background or black background. Well, one of my friends, he is already using the pro version, and I saw this with him, and it is amazing. If you can go and purchase the pro version, and especially during the Black Friday or the Cyber Monday sale, it will be really cheap for you to use. So now let me show you how you can do this. So now I already have the free version installed. I went to the option of download for Windows and installed it. You can also use the same on Mac, and here you can see the first option is ink visible, which means if I have drawn something, I can always hide or show the same. The arrow basically means, or the cursor basically means, you're outside the Epic Pen software and you can use your computer as a normal thing. So which would mean if I click on the arrow, I can go double click again, the window will be resized and so on. So the next option is pen. Here if I go on click on pen, here I can simply say, like for example when I was saying, okay, so this is what you don't get here, this is what you don't get here. So this is something I can simply type, draw, whatever. The next one is the eraser. So if I go and click on eraser, I can go and click on anything which I have drawn or annotated and I want to remove it. The next one is the pen size. Here what you can do is, if you want a slimmer line, here it's a very small line, you can see, and if I increase the pen size to the maximum, you can see it is very thick. Undo, the simple undo things as any other software. Trash or clear screen, if you click on this, anything you have annotated will go away. Let me show you. If I say this and I go on the first option, which was ink visible, if I click on that, you can see that everything has vanished. If I click it again, the things come back. Screenshot is a great option in case if you're taking some notes or you're explaining something and later you want to share the same, so you can simply take the screenshot from here, save it and share it with your people. Settings or the menu is something where all the options which this software gives. Here it is giving you few colors which are the primary colors you might be using, like magenta, black, yellow, blue. On the bottom here you can see the small thing. If you click on this, here the free version gives you the option of 16 colors. In the pro version it will give you 24 colors. I will try and see if I can use my friend's computer and probably show you what all options are available in the pro version as well. But till that time, I believe this is a fairly good thing. I will leave the link to download this software in the description box below, or you can simply go and Google Epic Pen. It's an amazing software, friends, and if you're doing your screen recording, then also you can use it. For example, currently I'm doing this screen recording and I'm showing you all these things, so it's an amazing thing. I hope it will be very useful for you. I've already made a couple of videos before this as well. You can always go to my channel and check out the same. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go down, click on the red subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notification for all my future videos. I've also created a Google group, so in case if you are interested in joining that, so that you can get notification for all my new videos and other tips and tricks that I keep on sharing from time to time. Leave me your email address either in the comment below or send me an email on my email ID, which is on the screen and also in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching the video till now. Thanks a lot, friends. Take care. Bye bye.